Hi everybody, Amber Watley here, one of the owners of Cupping Dynamics, and I wanted to invite you to come and check out our Level 2 Advanced Specific Condition courses. Myself and Kelly Chambers, licensed acupuncturist and Chinese medicine practitioner, have spent years developing high quality education in cupping therapies, gua sha chip therapies, and other modalities to really give good specific protocol for advanced work. So this particular class is going to be offered on January 24th, and it's going to be a specific condition class for the low back and pelvis. So it's how to really utilize cups in a specific protocol for the pain and stagnation and decreased range of motion in the low back and pelvis. It's going to be a 7 CE class, considered interactive distance learning. This course is going to focus on low back, hip pain, discussing the difference between sciatica, piriformis syndrome, general leg and foot pain. It's 4 hours of online interactive lecture followed by instructor demonstration. So that demonstration is going to be via a 3-hour webinar, and that's going to be on January 24th from 1 to 4 p.m. We're really going to focus on proper evaluation and assessment. So we're going to talk all about ruling out red flags using the acronym OPQRST and good physical assessment so that you make sure not to do any harm with your patient or client. We really want you to be identifying different pain patterns in the body associated with the low back and hip conditions, identifying contraindications and indications with cupping therapy, specific sequence and methods of cupping. Again, it's a protocol that has been developed with years and years of discussion and collaboration between myself, sports medical massage therapist of 18 years, and Kelly Chambers, licensed acupuncturist and Chinese medicine practitioner. So we're a little different in the sense that we love to blend Eastern theory with current modern Western applications. So we take that Eastern theory and that Western approach and we put them together. So this is a view of our online class and all of the different modules set up. So we have patient assessment, we have Western approach, we go over the structure and function into the low back and pelvis. We talk about specific conditions that we're really going to be focusing on and kind of what to look for. We discuss the importance of nerve innervation and roots, nerve roots that travel through the low back and pelvis area. We're also going to explore the Eastern theory perspective and really touch base on yin-yang theory, intro to meridian theory, and the 3-leg yang meridians that we're going to focus on for this particular class. So again, we would really love to have you join us. This is going to be a 3-hour webinar on January 24th from 1 to 4 p.m., as well as an online interactive ongoing course, which is 4 hours. So it's a total of 7 continuing education hours for licensed practitioners. And you can visit us at cupping-dynamics.teachables.com. So check us out. Come join us. We'd love to see you for any of our classes, including our specific conditions level 2 low back class. Thanks. Have a great day.